Hold up. I got a wet lip. Got a wet lip. Got a wet lip. Okay. I'm hyped. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. And today I think I'm going to try the wet look on my hair. I just want to see what it comes out like. I was watching other YouTube tutorials and I feel like my hair will look okay, but we gonna see. I don't know. But so my hair is freshly washed and shampooed and conditioned. Now I'm just about to get it sectioned so that we can get it started. So the girl who I watched, she did her hair in a bunch of sections. You need your Eco Styler. I got this. This is just like my backup conditioner. I'm going to put this in my hair. You know, you need a spray bottle. Then I don't have a Denman brush. I'm supposed to get one, but I haven't done it yet, so I'm just gonna use my regular paddle brush. This gonna get messy. It's gonna be gel all over the place, water dripping down your neck, so make sure you got a towel or something so that you don't get messy, or just wear older shirt. So let's just go ahead and wet my hair. Like I'm gonna drench it in water. I feel like my hair ain't gonna stay in these curls. I don't know. It always poofs up anytime I try a wet style. So I'm gonna just put as much water in here as I can. Alright, okay, that's enough. Alright, my hair is wet. That's what it's looking like. It's wet. So let me do half of this. First, I put the water. Now I'm about to put my conditioner. I'm gonna put a lot too. Gotta define these curls for this wet look. Wet look. I want to look like I just hopped right out the pool, like they be doing in the videos. That's what I want to look like. So I got my conditioner. And for this part, you don't really need to use your brush to detangle. I say finger detangle. Yeah, I like finger detangling better. So I'm going to finger detangle. Let's see if my hair would stay like this. I will wear this look, but let's see. So this is a brand new Eco Styler that I got. So let me open it. Woo! Boom. I'm ready. Okay, so now that you got conditioner and water in your hair and it's been finger detangled, I'm going to take this much, can you see that? Yes, this much gel and go from root to ends, because they said in the video that the key to getting this to look right is to get the roots, because your roots normally poof up when they dry, so you really got to put a lot of gel on your roots and just go down your hair. Make sure it's all the way covered. Like, you're gonna feel like you're putting a lot of gel in your hair, but that's what they did, so that's what we're gonna do. Can y'all even see? Oh my god. So this is what it's looking like after I just put the gel in it, but now I'm gonna brush through it to clump my curls a little bit better. So I'm brushing through slowly too, because it's a lot of gel in here, so you want to pull your hair out, but just like brush through it and clump your curls, but also detangle it and get those roots. Those roots, sis. Yes. So just keep brushing through until you feel like it's all the way detangled. And this feels pretty good to me, so I think I'm done brushing. And this is what it looks like now. It's all clumped up together, but that's good because we want it to be flat. I'll put some gel right here. Yeah, so now it's like, it's sticking to my head a little bit now, which is what I want. So, oh yeah. Okay, curl. And really get your hair wet. Like I said, it's going to feel like you're putting a lot of everything in your hair, but you really need to get this to look good. Alright, so there's some water in here. Next, I'm going to put my conditioner. That was a little bit too much, but... Oh! Oh my gosh. Okay. Get it to cover all your hair. See? Ooh, that actually feels really good. So, it's pretty flat. Let me get the other brush. But I'm still going to take the hard brush. If this thing ever decides to focus, here we go. And brush my roots down a little bit so it's like flat to my head. And so this is what this side looks like. So, now I got the back done. Hopefully my camera is focused, but yep, that's what. Spritz some water. Heavy on the water. Heavy on everything for this. And then I'm going to tie it down with my scarf. Also going to pull this back behind my ears and kind of like wrap it up a little bit. Hour, so it is 2:09. Yeah. I'm gonna come back at like 2:40 and see what it looks like when it's like sort of dry. Y'all know my hair not gonna dry, but let's get it popping. Be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm ready to get this scarf off my head. I can feel that my hair is like not dry at all, but let's just go ahead and see what we got. Just go ahead and see. I pray this looks good. I really do, because I feel like I just put a lot of stuff in my hair, and if it don't turn out right, I'll be mad. Okay, let me see. Forgot I got a hair tie back here. Oh, my hair is still soaking wet. Okay. Can we take it off? Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, first thoughts. It's cute. This is really, really cute. Really, really, really cute. Oh my god. Look. Here is my hair. Still really, really wet, if you can't tell. Here it is, the back. Can y'all see this? Yep. Focus it. Oh! Yes, come through. Of course, this is my first time, and I am really satisfied with the way that it turned out. I love how defined my hair is. I even like that it's kind of heavy. Like, of course it's still wet. It's probably not going to feel like this when it's dry, but I like it. I really, really like it. I love it. Like, all my curls are defined. If I put that scarf back on there though, it'll probably sit flatter at the roots. And then, like, really lay down the way I want to. But for now, this is it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you think you're gonna try the wet look, and if there's any other looks that you would like me to try, let me know, because I'm really feeling this. Alright, so that is it for this wet look video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come back for more, because I will be here and popping. That was childish, but okay, bye.